Before we start, I'd just like to say a big thanks to everyone who got involved in my giveaway. Damien J, you're the winner, so if you can get in touch, I'll get your prize out to you as soon as I can. Thanks.
City made a point ahead of Liverpool in the title race. The capital can reveal the Kings of Leon will be playing Sefton Park as part of Fusion Presents. It's on Friday, the 30th of August. Tickets go on sale on Friday. With AutoCar.com. Expect to build your own car deal online anytime. I mean, we're late in the place from Liverpool's museum for capital.
You beat me, and I'll brake test you.
This afternoon,
I've got two pairs as well, I think. Hold on. Is this one a problem?
Yeah, pass that back.
Just watch this guy's signals and look how close to an accident this becomes.
When are we going to be at 30, mate? Sorted?
Yeah.
Oh my word, that taxi driver nearly caused that accident. You see that? Gap. Yes, changed. Into first.
Yeah.
Good. And then they all jumped to red light. Look at that one as well.
Oh,
Gee
Mercedes
whiz.
could have hit them there.
There you go. And that's people thinking that jumping red lights doesn't matter.
No,
Of course it does.
Oh,
Now there's a gap from the filter lane.
And jumping red lights happens from all different categories of drivers. On my daily drives around Liverpool, I see it all the time.
Quicker this way in the morning.
I think it's quicker that way.
Yeah.
Just imagine if either of those cars had hit that lady. What we're trying to do again is assess risk, not the hazard.
Oh my god, they're having a pure fight. Oh, Jam, we should get an out done.
Someone is. We'll turn right again and then pick up the centre.
Yeah.
Go for it. Have a go. Don't think so.
She's gonna go the other way, isn't she?
Yeah, she's not looked this way once.
Oh, amazing.
Now is she coming in? No, she's going forward into that one. Just reverse it. And that's why going forward into a bay when you've just passed your test.
Is she actually leaving it like that? I thought she was going to straighten up.
Nah, that's close.
Surely.
It's close enough, isn't it? It's amazing how people steer away from what they point at,
So she's pointed at that white car.
and then oversteer and then end up too much to the other side. And it looks as though, yeah, she is going to leave it.
red lighting.
Just a bit. Go to
Yeah,
Aintree, book it in, they do a decent job. Alright?
Okay.
There's a fella
I shall tell
walking
them that.
down the Vale without a shirt on, no shirt. He's carrying his coat and carrying a bag, and there's a fella walking down. Everyone's staring. No, just a pair of trousers. Wow.
That's the best.
Amazing. Oh, sorry, that's it. Superb. That's made my day. School kids about jumping reds.
I'll probably have to explain this one. As the taxi goes through, have a look at the car from the left hand side. Wow.
Reasonable early stage though, Terry, so don't be too tough on yourself. Did it twice, mate.
Classic case of push your pram out, then have a look.
30 limit now. Check and put a right signal on, keep braking. Can you see much to the right?
Can you see
No.
much to the right? Okay, slow down.
Bit more brake.
More brake. Into first.
Is it clear?
Is it clear after this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. Off we go. Where are we going to be following the curve?
Look, where are we following the curve? Look over here.
Yeah, and we're going all the way round.
He wasn't even looking.
He wasn't.
This is a little bit of a difficult one to make out, but look at the silver car on the left, and this proves just how easy it is to lose concentration and go into the back of someone.
Hello?
Hey, it's Amy from Capital. Who's that?
Lauren?
Hi, Lauren.
Hi.
Lauren?
Yeah?
Lauren, you've just won £16,000.
Oh, I can't believe that.
Straight over.
Yep. Nice job. What was his problem?
He didn't look ahead.
He didn't look into his road before he went in.
He was looking at the floor.
Perfect.
And then he's got round the corner and gone, oh shit.
You're
Better
not.
reverse back.
You're not wrong.
Reckon he checked his mirrors when he looked back, when he reversed.
He didn't.
No.
He just put it in reverse and went. So there's massive risk with his driving.
If someone was crossing behind him.
Close behind him or anything, yeah, you're right. Left turn, please. Was that for a red light? Did you see that?
Yep.
Then a couple of minutes up the road,
I say to this bus driver, this is on red as well, why aren't you going through this one?
No, please don't. Please don't. Not cross me. Yeah, went through to just sit at these lights. I'm sure.
watch this car overtaking us.
Little things we need to do tomorrow. But it's just, I think I wouldn't be surprised if it had an episode.
Good, have a listen, see whether it is going to need lower gear. Do you need the brake now though? Clutch down, lower gear. Lower gear. Good. You went for it, so go for it.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Carry on now. You did well. Alright?
Yeah.
She didn't even look, did she?
Looking at the clip again, she did actually look. She just decided to ride out anyway.
Quick next gear. Okay, but your reaction was to do what with the hands? Just steer.
Yeah.
What should you have done? What did I do?
Slow down.
I braked.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah. Okay.
You never have to apologise, but that reaction of fixing things with the steering and
Just
treating the
braking
car like a
instead.
dodgem car
Yeah.
is the incorrect thing.
Yeah.
Always fix it with the feet.
Okay.
Your feet are your cure to most things,
Okay.
alright?
Yeah.
Sound.
What the? That was a bit of a swing out, wasn't it?
You expect
Delta.
lower intelligence than a pigeon. And is that because you look at
Yeah.
the floor again?
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Right. Yeah.
Because
I get it.
you didn't realise what
That was all.
what I was talking about.
Okay.
That's terrible from that Lexus just jumping a red light. Did you see it? Just going
The-
straight round the
from John
side.
Moore's.
Yeah. I know John Moore's security as well.
Mhm.
That's poor. Poor behaviour. Means higher gear. Lower pitched means lower gear. And that's it. Alright? Slow down, feet fix it. What's a grade 1?
Just a collie.
I was going to say a swear word there, but I'm going to refrain. I'm going to rise above it. You can fill in your own swear word, eh? With that prep. Is making things calm.
Yeah.
Good. Who's got priority? Wow. Gee, where's that? Is probably one of the closest, latest red lights, or closest to a crash and latest red lights I've seen in ages.
Well, if them cars would have started going what was
Imagine if a motorbike had been bombing through there.
This clip proves that not everyone is an absolute arse to the learner. The instructor makes a big mistake and doesn't control the situation. But honestly, every single car around acts in a perfect way. Credit to everyone. Big thanks to Dashcam Daz for sending me the clip.